Back to another episode of Minecraft Animal Craft. Today I am here joined with me. What? I'm lagging really bad. Whoa! Me and Invisible Me. This will wear off in a minute.
I'm a ninja.
Okay, hello Jade. Last episode we had Kitty Noodle with us, and that was a really funny episode, I have to say. I watched it and I laughed myself.
And I'm shaking my buns. Oh, guys.
Yeah?
I know what you told me before we did this. I'm gonna do it.
Do what?
I got to do this.
What?
You'll see.
Guys, I don't remember what she's trying to do.
Remember, you're trying to make me, I'm trying to make you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
She's trying to make me laugh because my laugh is funny.
It's hilarious.
So, carry on.
3, 2, 1. Oh no, it didn't work. No.
Okay.
What?
That is so annoying.
I know it's annoying.
You got me so close to laughing when it started, but then after the first two words of it, now it's annoying.
I was with the treehouse. Here's a llama, there's a llama, there's another llama. Fuzzy llama, funny llama, llama, duck. I was on the treehouse, I lived in a cake, but I never saw the wit or played the rake. Yeah, it's really annoying. My cousin showed me that.
Was it Ninja who showed you?
Nope. It's Glory Walker Bound, the one that I tried to add to the call.
Okay.
I call her Kahu for some reason.
So, today I guess our mission is to make me laugh. So Jade can try multiple things.
And I'm going to try to make a garden.
What?
I'm going to try to make a garden.
Ha! You make a garden.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Okay. Go ahead and probably fail. I, on the other hand, am going to build a house to live in.
Oh,
It's like gonna be a tree house type of thing.
a little tree house that we visit now and then.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that YouTube symbol really sucks.
It's not that bad. It's just big. Very big.
Did you see the new grave? Ow.
Which one? Okay, there's the new grave.
Jay. Look.
Look, it's the magical stick of Stickotopia.
See?
What? Yoda died when I was 3. Praise the genies.
Stick of Sticktopia.
Actually, that's just a normal stick.
What? Really fake laugh. That's really, fake laugh.
No, that's not. That's my laugh.
Girl, you just creepy. I have one
Ah!
She's a witch. Ah,
Ah!
she's the witch of llamas. Lamaville.
Oh my gosh, Jade.
Llama duck. Anyway, I was only 3 years old, I brought a little tail. Now listen, little child, to the safety rail.
Right
Really
now.
hard to sing.
What?
That song was really hard to sing.
I can tell. So, Jade, what are you doing?
Making the garden.
Of flowers?
Oh,
Of
Yeah.
food?
it'll have some stuff in it, but I'm just gonna decorate it right now, and then I'm gonna get to it.
Right now, I am building a treehouse for us.
Okay.
Do you have any shears, perhaps?
Yeah.
Can you bring me some?
Mhm.
I'm really close to the house, so you won't have a problem finding me. Oh, or that.
Come see.
Is this a survival or creative world that we're doing right now? I mean, the series.
It's kind of both. It's
Like,
mostly
we
survival
live it in survival, but we build stuff in creative.
sometimes, but after we have most of our stuff that we need, we're mostly gonna go in survival. We're only gonna do little things in creative, right?
Yeah, like, mostly the stuff we're going to be doing is creative. It's going to be stuff like,
Building and really hard stuff to get.
yeah. Like, right now, I'm in survival building.
And like decorations.
Decorate.
And of course, we need glowstone because we don't want to go into the Nether and then like someone hack and we lose all our stuff. Because people do hack, right? Don't you believe that?
Yeah.
Are you trying to die?
No. I'm not. I'm just building something.
2.
I know it sounds like it, but I'm not.
Guys, she's trying to troll me. Ow. That hurt.
No! Dang it. Oh, poopy.
So yeah,
Dang it! Ella.
so we're gonna do more episodes than mostly because we can stay up later than usually. Cause it's Christmas. P.S. Merry Christmas, guys. If you don't celebrate Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. Don't celebrate anything.
Happy nothing.
Just
Happy life.
have a great day. Speaking of 2 days ago, it was Christmas Eve. That's what I call it.
Christmas Eve.
Yeah, Christmas Eve. The day before Christmas Eve. It's the eve before Christmas Eve.
Okay.
I know, it makes no sense. Even Dan TDM does it. Yay! Wow, I told you.
You're enjoying Christmas. I hope you like what you got.
It's a, you know, they're recording right now, so.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Guys, also watch I Has Cupquake.
Yes, do. Oh my gosh, sorry guys, I'm lagging so bad.
And Red B15, but he doesn't really have any, you know, videos, but
Okay. Kill me now.
go watch what? Ella. Well, why'd you go?
I crashed.
Mm. Come back soon, Ella.
Well, I think this is a good spot to end the episode.
Yeah. Guys, we'll come back. Ella gets her Minecraft straightened up.
Yeah, if I can get onto Minecraft, then I'll I'll stop the episode if I can get off of Minecraft.
See ya.
See ya. You're probably gonna need a little bit of. This may take about 5 minutes to get off. We're just waiting here for my computer to stop being a jerk. Okay, Jade, should we make a new episode instead of this?
No, I like it.
But the end is just my computer frozen. Am I still in Minecraft?
No.
Okay, never mind. It timed out. Okay, I'm back on.
Oh, let's keep on the recording.
Yay, it actually worked. If it will load me onto my Minecraft realm, then maybe I will do it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, can you record?
I'm still recording. I can't get out of Minecraft.
Oh, what?
I know. Ah! I just got in. Okay. I think this is a good spot to end the episode.
Okay,
So bye, guys.